Hi dearest, we're going to be learning how to make this unique flowered halo crown. In doing that, we're going to learn how to cut out circles in quantity speedily. I'm telling you how to bead boning, because this halo crown was made with boning. Can you imagine that? And how to change stones on a flower and much more. Please stay tuned. So here's what we'll be making use of: measurement tape, my famous hot wire cutter. Then we're going to be making use of lighter, your boning, your flowers. Now this flowers has the stones. I will show you how to change the stones on them. These are ready-made flowers, but of course you can always make them. Then these are glass beads that we're going to be making use of, the smallest size. Then we're going to be making use of these rhinestones too, elastic band, your thread matching to what you're doing, of course, the color and the needle. That's your normal needle. Then we're going to be making use of bias. Then this your bead needle and gloves. Yeah, I think that's all. No, I think we have one more thing. Yes, these are the stones we're going to be changing the flower to. So let's start. So the first thing we're going to do is change the stones on the flower. Now why I'm actually changing it is because the client wants everything royal blue. So just in case you come across such issue, all you need to do is pull out the stones and get your own. These are actually buttons that I made use of. Now I need to pierce my boning, and to pierce the boning I wore my gloves and I used the lighter to make my needle very hot, and then I punctured 2 holes in each of the boning on the 2 sides. Now I'm measuring my boning, which is 18 inches, and I measure out 4 inches of elastic. That gives us 22 for the head size, which of course can draw out to be more elastic if your head size is larger. Now remember the holes that I put in with the hot needle. Now it's going to allow me to sew the elastic band to the boning. What I did was I put 2 holes, one up and one down on the 2 sides. So I'm going to be using that to sew the elastic band to the boning. Now remember, I did it on both sides. Remember, the boning is 18 inches and the elastic band 14. So that's it. Now the next thing you're going to do is wrap up your boning, and I made use of bias. You can also make use of trimmings and what else? Ribbons, laces, materials, whatever. So now I'm wrapping it up with my bias. Keep watching and learning. Okay, so now our boning is fully wrapped. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is place our flowers. Now I placed it on the dummy head, on the mannequin head, so that I would be able to know the midpoint. So that's my midpoint, and I'm using uhu gum to stick the flowers. Now the way I'm doing it is, one flower is going to be down, the other one up, like kind of forming a zigzag. So that's how I'm doing it. So I used the dummy head first of all to get my positioning, and then I brought it out and I started doing all by myself on the way down. So keep watching and learning. Okay, so can you see how it's coming out? So I just put some few more there. Now this is how you cut your circles quickly. Take the size of material that you need, fold it to get the number of circles that you want. Use a needle or a pin to hold one side like that. Then you take the circle that you have cut already and you cut. Now when you cut out this, because I made 4 cloths to, as in I folded the cloths into 4, so this is going to give me 4 circles. So if you want more, you do more, but you have to be careful. If your scissors is not so sharp, it would not cut also. If you've used the scissors for a while, you reduce it. So the next thing I did was to use my lighter and bond around so that it doesn't fray. And now I'm gluing it to cover. You see those white things around the flowers? I'm using it to cover it so everything is royal blue. Doesn't it look dazzling already? Okay, so let's use our glass bead. So we are sewing. Can you see how you sew? You take from the edge there, then we're going to take, now this is the slow way of putting your needle in the, putting your beads rather in the needle. Okay, I'll show you the fast way. So just keep watching and see how I how I bead the boning. Okay, so you just move a little bit like that, like what I've just done now, to put the next layer. Now this is the fast way to do your beading. Okay, I'm sure you keep watching to understand how you do it. It's very easy. Just take it through like that. Now I'm doing the beading around the stones on the flower. I'm going to do it curving, do you understand, up down up down up down all the way, and take it the other way around. So keep watching and learning. Okay, so you can see the top part has been done. I'm doing the down part, but it will still go up, so you can see how I'm beading all the way around. Then the next thing I did was stone it with a round stone, and it came out looking dazzling like this. Before we get into our gift for today, I would like to inform you that in the Vent Craft Academy, our reception ground, we're going to be running a free training on hat wire. You want to check the description of this video and jump in by clicking the link. It's going to be happening on the 30th of January 2023 by 8 p.m. Alright then, so what's our challenge for today? Yeah, how many bling blings did we make use of? How many different types of bling bling did I make use of in this video? Now the winner is going to be attending Fascinator Class 1 for free. Do check out this next video for more headband DIY.